How you doing, guys? Welcome back. We're on episode 3 of The Bucket. Pretty much, we're gonna chill on the motor for now. We're already prepping for it if we do gotta build it. But right now, we still gotta finish the interior. We still got the body work to do. We gotta put a front window on it. We still got a few other things to do. So we're gonna be doing the sunroof today. We need more headliner material, so we're gonna wait on that. So let's do the headliner material. Let's start with this. I don't know how much we're gonna get done in this episode. We're just gonna go with the flow and start putting it together little by little.
Yes, sir. Ooh, you can't tell me that doesn't look good, guys.
That looks good. So we gotta put the little black piece because you know all these interiors come with the bait. I do got it. So I got a full car with full black interior. So it's gonna have. I mean, this car's gonna be specced out.
Nah, yo. Once you guys see the final product of the bucket back there and how it's gonna look, it's gonna be insane. What you got cooking up over here, bro?
What I got cooking up. So pretty much just doing the patches for the front bumper for this Charger to get rid.
We gotta go into the cave. I don't know if they know what the cave is.
Oh no.
Let's take them to the cave.
Oh no. I think of. Listen, guys. If you don't know how many times I've been back here in the cave and I've dug the cave and I've cleaned up the cave. 1, 2. Dun, 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 dun. It's a whole. Yeah, I had to put it there because I had to get the light that was. So we have nothing. I have nothing parts. I was about to.
We're gonna have to move some of the stuff right there.
Yeah.
I gotta get into the sunroof from the old BMW that's behind the cave in the hood. Back there.
Alright. I got it. We'll do it. I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna get to. We gotta turn on the light. And boom.
Great. Sorry, did I put it in right?
You probably might have to put some adhesive in there. You don't think so? Or does it have, because it doesn't have my clips?
Nice. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Woo. Woo.
There's no such thing as a beige interior in this area here.
I mean, honestly, the whole interior I have is black. The thing is, like, the headliner from the other car that I pretty much, the donor car, it was all crushed and fucked up. Well, blur that out. It was all crushed. So everything got messed up and a little bended on the roof side of it. So I just had to pretty much get from the beige car. But we're gonna make suede, and maybe if I feel like it, I'll do all the little panels suede. I don't know yet.
I think the panels will look nice though,
Black?
because yeah, you don't
Put
want to
suede?
have.
They gotta go suede?
I mean, yeah, why not?
Okay.
Or you mean, yeah, why not? I don't know. Yeah, but no beige. We can't see no beige in there, guys.
Boom, sunroof's back in. The sunroof liner on the bottom's back in. It looks nice. Let's see if you can see it. Car is, you know, dusty, but you're gonna have to pull it back where you're happy. These aren't like mine, they're electronic.
It's on there.
No, pull the sunroof in.
Oh,
Like the liner. Con fuerza.
espérate. Here, you do it for me.
Oh, shit. No, it's because the sunroof usually leave it like that.
But it's black, guys. It's looking great. Yeah, we still gotta go ahead and
Still, the car's a mess right now. Pretty much, we're getting it ready. I gotta send this to the body shop, get it ready quick. Cause you know the shop, we're trying to move it over, we're trying to, you know, level up little by little. So we're gonna be building a team for building the cars that we build. So we get the cars done, you know, quicker. And then, you know, obviously the other little stuff we do is gonna be that. The little regular stuff.
Yes,
it's just,
sir.
we gotta, with these cars, we wanna get them.
in and out,
Quick.
in and out, in and
Yeah,
out.
but the thing is, when we do this, man, we're a little picky. I want everything to be new. I want everything to be good. I don't want to just short something and something is an issue. Man, I want this thing. If whoever buys this car, whoever wins this car, is gonna have 0 issues. If the motor's bad, as I told myself, if the motor's bad, that means we're just gonna fully build it. Single turbo, upgrade intake manifold, you know, the whole 9 yards.
Hell
That's
yeah.
if we have to go there. If this motor is good, I'll just leave it as is. But if we do gotta build it, I don't just go build or just use motor. No, I go all out if we gotta do something. If we gotta do it, we gotta go all out.
We gotta do it, cause if not,
don't do
we
it.
gonna have problems. Yeah. Go hard or go home.
See, we did M3 fenders on it, M3 bumper. We have the carbon lip, the hood. I don't know. Nah, I might just leave the regular hood. If we have to, I would go ahead and buy a carbon hood. You know, nice little hood. But at the moment, this build will be fine because we still got 2 other projects and we're trying to get to those as soon as possible. See, the bucket number 2 is still here.
Bucket number 2, guys. You guys don't know nothing about this. You guys know nothing about what's gonna be happening here, guys. This is gonna be something insane. If you guys see that right there, well, you probably camera can't really tell, but if you guys see that right there, you guys, straight carbon fiber. It's gonna be insane, guys. Let us know down below in the comments what shell this vehicle you guys think it is.
And they know what it is. Now they don't know what it is. This is like sheet metal.
But yeah, guys, let's get it.
Sunroof is in. The liner is in. We actually finally got the suede for this. We didn't have it when we were doing the sunroof. We got it in. We're gonna finish this up. As soon as this is in, I'm gonna pretty much build up the whole top. Should have the car a bit more organized. After that, I'm calling in to get the front windshield installed. Once the windshield is in, putting the hood on, and we're sending it straight to the body shop. No engine or bad engine or whatever, it's going in.
Looks like, you know what this looks like? It looks like rusted aluminum.
Well, right here.
Yeah, this looks like rust. Like you gotta,
We're just removing pretty much the leftover foam.
it's gonna be on in 1, 2, 3. there you guys have it. Fully put on. We did all the cutouts already. Looking super slick and nice. Let us know down below in the comments if you guys ever done something like this before, and if you guys haven't. But yeah, guys. Whoa! This is what we gotta do, guys. We got no seat. We gotta sit in the. Whoa! Okay, I know this one had the electric ones. We're actually gonna be doing a dash conversion to the newer one too, right? With the one with the.
Oh, we're just not newer. I mean, just doing the
with the
iDrive package.
Yeah.
Show them the headlamp.
Woo! Yeah, guys, it's daytime now. You guys can really see exactly how good it looks, how fire, how neat with this full black. Yes, we are technically not close to. Well, hey, you know it's right across the street from us, so whoa!
I gotta see why this is not clipping in.
Does it have any missing something?
Oh yeah.
You have the tape with you? I wonder how many people have broken their cars in that hole. Whoa! Copyright. She's officially getting dropped off, and yeah, we already spoke to the guy that's gonna be hooking us up with the body work, and yeah, we're probably gonna have her back tomorrow, guys. But from there on, let's get it.
Guys, it's January 3rd, it's a New Year's 2022. It's time we're gonna make some moves. Right now we're gonna go pick up bucket number 1. It's finally done, it's coming out the body shop. Going back to the shop, time to kill it, man. We're gonna get hard. We have one new worker, his name's Swim. We will introduce you to him when he comes to the shop today. Long buddy of ours, you know, we know him a long time, but you know, it's nice. Look at him.
But for sure, guys. And woo!
It's here, guys. Fully primered, all the dents are out, ready to be wrapped.
It looks like it got painted in gray. No more dents, no scratches. Woo! Looking clean. Well guys, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching, sticking tuned to episode 3 of the Bucket Build, guys. If you guys stay to the end, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, guys, and stay tuned for the next episode. Alrighty guys, so we have good and bad news. I'll let the boy Jesse say that.
Alright guys, compression test is done. This ugly guy didn't film it.
Wait, no me.
Compression's bad on cylinder 4. It came out like 50 psi, whatever. So time to take this thing out this week, get it ready, and let's get this thing going.
Yup. We just did the whole testing, and that means big old puppy's coming out and putting a new one in, and that means good for you guys because you guys are gonna get more episodes. So, yeah.